guys, from the past, I think past 3 days or 2 days, there's been some Roblox glitches, which is like only on mobile, and I don't know what's happening. Roblox, what's wrong with you? Like, please just care about. Like, Roblox isn't even caring about the mobile app, kind of, but still. So I don't really have any examples. I didn't got time to, like, I forgot to like screenshot them. I saw them a lot of times in my alt too and on my real account. I don't know. I thought first when I was on my alt, I just saw that. I thought it was just a glitch with my alt and it will be just gone next day, but it didn't even go. And the next day, I mean like today, when I logged into my real account and when I was just going to start this video, like the same glitch happened to it. So yeah, I know you guys are kind of thinking that why didn't I screenshot that time? Yeah, I forgot. I should had screenshotted it. Yeah, so I don't really know what's wrong with Roblox, because I don't think so. That kind of thing to do with only accounts or glitches. I know it's a glitch. So I think what just happened is that basically what happened, I think, is that the Roblox game files of mobile thingy. I don't know what do you say that, but I think Roblox just accidentally changed it, and that's why this glitch is coming. And this glitch actually, if you see that glitch, like that glitch is kinda like, if I see that, it literally reminds me of those free admin games. You know how it works. Yeah, it used to had some rainbow thingy, those light things, you know what to say them, like that type of meshes, like the textures are like coming in the game, and it's only, I think, coming on computer. No, I mean, no, on mobile. I don't know if it comes on that tabs or other things, but I know it comes, but I don't know how much people has that problem, but I have it. So basically, if you didn't know what happened, yeah, here's short explanation video. If you had that problem, yes, this was a short explanation video. And if you guys didn't, yeah, and thank you guys for watching. And yes, I think I'm just gonna be like just showing my footage on the Agouti thing, this thing. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And also follow me on Roblox to join me in games when I'm playing. And also if you wanted to be my friend, yeah, this is only your chance. Yeah, just go ahead and friend my alt account. If you didn't know what my alt account, just I will be just giving the name in the description, so you don't really have to go to my friends and just find my alt. And yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.